Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search all wallet in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a desktop Bitcoin wallet that lets you manage multiple wallets at once: standard wallet, watch-only wallet, multi-signature wallet, and hardware wallet. Unlike some mobile wallet, it does not automatically show all the wallet in a single search, but it provides a way to locate and organize them effectively. First, what you can go do is on the bottom there's the search, type down Sparrow Wallet. You need to open to your Sparrow Wallet over here. Over here you can select to this new wallet and type down your wallet and create it. And over here what you can do is once you get into this Sparrow Wallet interface, on the top you can find this view just beside the file. You need to select to this view here. You need to select to the search all wallets and it will automatically show over here on this interface if a wallet and this does not create new ones, and this is it. You can keep a wallet clearly named when creating them. This makes searching much easier. And for hardware wallet, make sure the device is connected, otherwise the wallet may appear but not show the balances until the connection. And for multi-signature wallet, all the participating keys must be added to properly see the balance. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.